Hello, just wanted to give a quick demo of my Game Boy emulator for Macintosh System 6. I actually started on this project way back in 2013 when I was a senior in high school, and it was in Interpreter then, and I implemented about 40 of the 512-ish Game Boy CPU instructions and made this cute little icon here, and that was about it. I revisited it in 2022, 2023, and finished the interpreter, and kind of developed a debug GUI for it that ran on modern operating systems using the imgui library. And I got it running on System 6 as well. But it was way too slow to be playable. And then just recently, I started working on a compiler from Game Boy instructions to 68,000 instructions. And I got it working enough to play Tetris. So I have mini VMAC here, and I have it set to 16x speed. So I tested this on my real Macintosh 2FX, and the 16x speed on VMAC is pretty comparable to how it runs on my 2FX. This would still not be playable on a Mac Plus, but I have some more optimizations I want to make, so maybe I could get it playable on like an SE30 or a 2CI or something like that. And I really want to test it on an 040 Mac like a Quadra. And then other than that, I have the Mac configured for 4 megabytes of RAM, and I have the application itself configured for a 2 megabyte heap size. Okay, so here's the demo. Let's go. So this start screen takes forever, even on a real Game Boy. So I'm just going to be mashing start for a while because this is it's not 60 FPS. So just kind of waiting here. So you'll see as I get to each new code path in the game, it will compile that part of the ROM to 68,000 code and then execute that code. Oh, there we go. Okay. So let's see. Let's go one player. A type. Choose a level. Okay, so I'm gonna go right here, and then it compiles the instructions for going right. And then let's rotate the piece. And yeah, this is about how fast it is right now. You'll notice the score is in hex because in the compiler version, I have not implemented the DAA instruction. Let's clear a line here. I also think the RNG is kind of messed up because I'm not getting the correct mixture of pieces. I shouldn't be getting this many, I don't know, flat ones. Tetris people, if you know what those are called. Also, the timing is still really sketchy, so you'll notice the line is clearing slowly. I think I should be able to fix that. Let's see. I'll lose here so we can see the kind of game over screen. Yeah, so that's it so far. It does not support the memory bank controllers. I mean, the interpreter version does, but not the compiler version. but that should not be too hard to add. And it looks like it ran out of my 2 megabytes of heap space. But yeah, I have some efficiency improvements I want to make, but here it is so far. Thank you for checking this out.